Hi there, my name's David Hedges-gower. I'm a lawn expert of some 39 years, and today I'm going to give you a few little tips on how to revive your lawn, perhaps after a summer like we had last year. So the first important thing that I always suggest people do is mow the lawn. It's the one feature we have to do most of the year. So one of the things that we do generally badly, that I wish people would do better, is actually cut lawn with a blunt blade. When you cut with a blunt blade, generally speaking, it actually affects the stress of the grass. So you're stopping it from uptaking food and water. So sharpen your blade on a sort of weekly basis or even a fortnightly basis, but certainly better than once per year. So do that as often as you can and you'll see the reward in the lawn eventually. Now the second thing I'd advise is actually trying to correct what nature's doing right now. The big orange ball we see in the sky affects our soils quite dramatically. And if we don't do anything to correct that and rebalance it out, then we're going to start to see some of the problem compaction causes. So what you want to do is a thing called hollow tine aeration in the autumn. If you do that, what you do is remove thousands and thousands of little plugs from your lawn. But the beauty of it is you're adding oxygen to the soil profile, and what you're doing is allowing the ground to decompact, collapse in amongst itself, create beautiful little cracks and fissures for new roots to develop, for the nutrients to work better, for water to percolate through, to stop any moss encroachment, etc. So it's a wonderful thing to do. Now the last thing I'd suggest to do to your lawn in the autumn is prune it. It's a well-known fact that pruning our native grasses helps them redevelop from within themselves, sometimes without the need to overseed your lawns. So if you do that on a regular basis, what you'll find is that you're actually developing your lawn, you're diverting growth sideways, you're getting a much thicker lawn, a much healthier lawn, one that's not going to get moss on it and certainly going to look healthier and greener as well. So there's a few tips to get your lawn back into shape. So if you want some more information, go to the RHS website.